Hello kids, welcome back to online class. So kids, hope all of you are fine at your home. So children, today we are going to know some new words from this exercise, okay? And you will know by adding some letters we can create some new words, okay? At first, look at here. At first we will read the question, children. Use the letters in the box to complete the words. Children, if you can't see this picture clearly, you can take out your English to textbook page number 28. Question number E. Use the letters in the box to complete the words. Children, we have to use the letter in the box to complete the words. Here box is there now. We have to use this box for completing of these given words, okay? First one has been done for us. R dash 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 means here AIN is added. It means rain. Rain means borsa, you know na. Next one we will do, okay? Next one is SH dash dash dash. Which letters we will add, children? Can you tell me? Yes, we can add this cell, SHELL, cell. So you can write cell here, SHELL, cell, okay? Now, one more blank is here. Question number 3, CO dash dash. What should we add here, children? COAT, coat. Understood? Now D dash dash dash, Kondei, DOLL, doll. Okay? Now we will see it. BE dash dash, beer, BEAR, beer. Now last one, pill, PILL, pill. Pill means tablet, okay, medicine. And BEAR, beer means bhalu, you know na. So again I will do, you just recheck it. SHELL, cell, COAT, coat, DOLL, doll, BELL, bell, BEAR, beer, PILL, pill. That's it, children. Now look at the question number F. Write these sentences in your notebook. Begin with capital letters and end with full stop. Children, here some sentences has been given. You have to write it by starting capital letter. For example, here first one is I is there na. I is written in small letter. You only have to write it in capital I and you have to give full stop here. That's it. I will show you. Wait. So look at here, children. Question number F. Like this you have to write, and you do one thing. You can take out here English 2 notebook and you write it, okay? At first you write the question like this. It is raining. I is written in small letter and full stop has not been put right there. So in answer you can write like capital I and you can put full stop. It is raining. Like I got wet. So look at here, children. I is small in small letter na. I got wet. So you can add capital I here and you can put full stop. Okay. We will play games. W is always remember, children. Whenever you start some new sentence, the beginning letter should always be in capital. Okay. That's why this sentence is wrong. You have to put capital letter at first. Like this, we will have fun. here W is written in capital, after that full stop has been put. Okay, so these are the answers of that given sentences. You can do one thing, you can write both question and answers in your English 2 copy. Okay, now we will see the next one, children. Look at here, read these sentences. At first we will read these sentences. Okay, at first word has been written, I am a girl, we are girls, this book is on the table, the books are on the table. Children, I hope all of you may get confused, like here am is written, here are is written, here are is written, again here is written. So why this type of words has been added, we will know. Okay, so children, before we will do the grammar fun part, I will tell you about these 3 words, am, is and are. Okay, you can look at the spellings here. Am means am, is means is, and are means arer. Okay, so these words where we will add these words, we will know. Okay, children, look at here, I means move. So always remember one thing, children, beside I you always have to add am. Means if some sentences has been given and question has been given you like that, you add either am, either is or are in the given sentence. I dash a girl, 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 full stop. So you always remember one thing, children, beside I always we have to add am. I am a girl, is will not be the answer, are will not be the answer, am is always correct. So always you have to add word am. I am a girl, like here, I am. Understood? Now we will know where we can add is, is. Okay, so look at here, is means you can add is near a person or a animal or a thing or a vehicle. Okay, you can add is in these nouns. Okay, like you can tell that this man is my uncle, this auntie is this lady is my auntie. Like this is an elephant, this is a house, and this is a car. So you understood, children, where we can add is? Only singular nouns, either a man or a woman or a one animal or a single house or a single vehicle. You can add is. Like this house is near this house, this is an elephant, this car is mine, this is a blue color car, like that. Okay, now we will see where we have to add are. Children, more than one person, here you can see more than one person means 3 persons are there, so you have to add are there. Always remember, singular nouns, in place of singular nouns we always have to add is, and in place of plural nouns, not in place, beside of plural nouns we always have to add are, like these places. More than one place is there, so that's why, and more than one thing is there, bag and ball, so here we have to add are. Like I can give you one example. These places are my favorite. These are my things. These people were talking. These people are talking. Okay, these people are talking with each other. These places are my favorite. These are my things. Are has been used, na children. So always remember where we can use am. Always we can use am beside I, and where we can use is. We can use is only singular nouns. But where we can use are more than one person or one thing or one place or more than one animal is there. गोटे रु अधिक हेले आमे आर यूज करिबा, ओनली गोटे हेले आमे इज यूज करिबा आ सब बेले एम कोठी यूज हुए आई पाखरे. आई बिसाइड आई ऑलवेज वी कैन यूज एम. That's it children. Now we can do the exercise. Okay, hope all of you understood it. So look at the sentence here children. Fill in the blanks with is, am, are. Children, you can easily now fill in these blanks without taking help of me or your parents. Janak dash singing. Janak is a name of a boy children, a single boy. So what type of sentence we have to use there? Is or am or are. He is only one person children. So what word we have to use there? We have to use is. 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 Janak is singing. The cat dash on the mat. The cat is a singular noun. Only one cat has given. So the cat is on the mat. I dash Amol. I, children, what I told you, beside I we always have to add word am. I am Amol. Now grandpa is, we are having only one grandpa na, so grandpa is playing tennis. Now we means ambhe mane, means more than one. Okay, so we have to use are there. We are friends. We are friends. Here grandpa is, here am, here the cat is, here Janak is. Children, all of you understood na where we have to put is, am and are? Yeah, okay. Now look at the question number H here. Change the today word into yesterday word by adding ed. Children, if you can say rain, if you have added ed there, it will be yesterday's word. Rain mane borsa, but rained mane borsa hoi thila, kali borsa hoi thila. Okay, like that. Start, start, start. So you can add ed there. Wait, START ED, started. Start mane आरंभ हबा, started mane आरंभ होई थिला. Okay, climb mane चढ़िबा, climbed mane चढ़ी थिले, चढ़िले. Okay, yesterday word, yesterday mane पूर्व दिनर शब्द. CLIMB ED, climbed. Okay children, you only need to add ed there, that's it. Fill, FILL, fill na, if you will add ed there, it will be yesterday's word. FILLED, filled. Now walk, WALKED, walked. Now talk, TALKED, talked. Okay children, now you see the communication skill here, listening and speaking. Listen to your teacher and complete the picture, then color the tree. Children, you do one thing, you just color this picture, this tree as you want, but remember the tree always having green color leaves or other leaves you can draw, children. It's your wish. Okay, you draw it. After the reopening of school I will check it. Okay, now question number J. Talk to your partner about a rainy day. You may use these words, children. Talk to your partner means if you are having your brother or sister at your home, you can talk with them. Otherwise you can talk with your friend, neighbor friend. Okay, about a rainy day you can add these words: dark clouds, rain, umbrella, wet. Children, this is not that much necessary, but I can tell you, you listen. Dark clouds, rain, umbrella, wet. You can tell that first sentence. You can tell that if you have any friend, you can tell their name. Like I am telling, for example, Ramu. Hello Ramu, you can see today is raining, and look at the dark clouds there on the sky. If we will not take out umbrella today, we may get wet while going outside. You can tell your friend like that. Okay, you can talk your friend like that. That's it, children. Question number K, look at here. How does Amul get ready for school? Number the sentences correctly. It is very easy for you, children, because you were also getting ready like this when you were coming to school in previous days. Now holiday is going on because of corona. So first sentence has already given. Amal gets up at 6 o'clock. Already one has been written. Now I have already written here, children, the answers, that so that it may easy for you to read. Second, after get up, what Amul did, children? He brushes his teeth and has a bath. Amul brushes his teeth and has a bath. After that he wears his uniform. After that he has milk and a dosa as breakfast. Okay, finally he goes to school. Children, I have already put numbers here. You can write it with pencil in your notebook. Okay, textbook. And one more thing, question number E, F, G, H and K, you write it in your English to copy. That's your homework, children. I know too much homework is there, but if you will write, then only your handwriting will be perfect and you can learn how to write fastly. Understood, children? Okay, in next class I will come with a new lesson. That's it for today, children. Have a good day.